Le prince Charles a été averti il y a environ 30 ans du risque de dommages causés par les scandales « argent contre rémunération », a déclaré un initié ayant accès au prince A. Prince Charles was implicated in the Cash for Honors scandal last month, in which and a former head were reported to the Metropolitan Police over the claim. Clarence House HASSID and the Prince of Wales had no knowledge of the alleged scandal, but a source with access to the Prince has now claimed they must have known such a thing went on within the royal family's team. Howard Hodgson, a biographer who published a book about Prince Charles SID to contain startling revelations about him, told Express. That Charles must be aware that cash for honors happens as the monarchy has long relied on the practice. ASID, cash for honors has been around as long as the monarchy. Is it all about cash for honors? Of course not. Does they think it happens? Of course they must. The author added the prince looked surprised during the encounter in 1991, and SID, he warned him of the danger 30 years ago. Mr. Hodgson SID the practice, in which paid intermediary arrange access to the royal family or honors in exchange for donation to royal charities, was an old one that has a positive impact. ASID that if Charles had listened to me in 1991 and several thousand young people over the last 30 years would have not had their life changed for the better as a result of my bashful approach. ASID the prince would not, however, have been aware of the detail of the deals done, adding that no one ever tell Charles how they scoop up the cash so as not to compromise him by telling him the detail. He added, if he were to ask too many questions and want to be ridiculously politically correct then no money would be raised and so no good would be done. In response to the original allegation, a Clarence House spokesman SID, the Prince of Wales has no knowledge of the alleged offer of honors or British citizenship on the basis of donation to his charities and fully supports the investigation now underway by the Prince's Foundation. Royal source say it is up to the government to decide on all awards, including honorary ones, before the palace is informed that they should be presented. A spokesperson for the cabinet office told Express.co.uk, rigorous processes are in place to protect the integrity of the honors system which is designed so that no one person can offer, or guarantee, an honor. The sale of honors or peerage is illegal under the Honors Prevention of Abuse Act 1925. Scotland Yard has now received two requests to investigate the allegation against the Prince and his former valet, Michael Fawcett. The pressure group Republic reported Charles and Mr. Fawcett on suspicion of breaching the law, and Norman Baker, the former Liberal Democrat MP, has also asked Dame Cressida Dick, the May Commissioner, to open an investigation. The heart of the claim is that Mr. Fawcett offered to help secure a knighthood and British citizenship for Mahfouz Marei Mubarak bin Mahfouz, a Saudi billionaire, who donated more than £1 5 million to Charles's charities, a reported in the Sunday Times. That newspaper reported a 2017 letter, written when Mr. Fawcett was chief executive of the Dumfries House Trust, in which he said the charity was willing and happy to use its influence to help Mr. Mahfouz in light of his generosity. Mr. Fawcett has temporarily stepped down as chief executive of the Prince Foundation while an investigation is underway at the charity. The scandal deepened when the Sunday Times followed with another allegation, that Prince Charles has met with William Bottrick, the alleged fixer of the deal, at least 9 times. Charles is alleged to have met Mr. Bottrick in England, Scotland and Saudi Arabia over the past 7 years. Mr. Bottrick is the editor and owner of Burgh's Peerage, a genealogical publication that chronicles the aristocracy. A spokesperson for Mr. Bottrick told the Sunday Times, Mr. Bottrick is a proud supporter of the Prince's Foundation. In his dedication to the foundation, Mr. Bottrick has introduced a number of potential benefactors to the Prince's Foundation. They said had met the Prince only in a group setting and never in private.